In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password for QuickBooks, and we'll do it in just around 5 minutes. Changing your password is a crucial step in maintaining your account security, and I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to start by clicking on Sign In. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the QuickBooks homepage. Signing in is your gateway to accessing your account, so make sure you have everything you need ready, including your existing login information. Once you're ready, proceed by selecting QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures you are signing into the correct platform, as QuickBooks offers various services that you might also use. Right after selecting this option, a login prompt will appear. This is where you'll need to enter your existing credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click on Continue to proceed. Here's a little tip: double check your credentials before proceeding to ensure they are correct, which can save you some time and effort. Now moving on, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile photo or icon there. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Manage your Intuit account. This action might prompt you to re-authenticate, meaning you'll need to enter your password again. This added step is there to protect your account, so don't be surprised if it pops up. After managing your account, you need to navigate to the Sign In and Security tab. This tab is where we'll focus our efforts to change the password. It's the section dedicated to securing your account settings, and it's clearly labelled for your convenience. You'll find an option labelled Password. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, you'll be prompted to enter your current password and then the new password you wish to set. Remember, when selecting a new password, it's always a good practice to make it strong. Something that combines numbers, letters, and special characters, but is also something you can remember. Once you've entered both, confirm the update. And that's it. You've successfully updated your QuickBooks password. Make sure to store your new password in a safe place. Perhaps using a password manager so you don't have to worry about forgetting it next time you log in. This small task can have a big impact on the security of your financial data, so it's great to know how to do it regularly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.